What's up, guys? Biker Dave here, Golf Cars of Canton and Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. We were about to install some of the LED overhead lights that go around the canopy area in here. You've seen my other video about that. And what you're supposed to see on, like, this is a Rover XL. Most of the XL, double XL, XL6, they should be pre-wired for this lighting system if they're a 2025 model. And it should look like this. So it comes out of here and then fishes down the strut, goes into the seat, and then there's a little connector down in there that your lighting should connect to, you know, from this guy. Well, I was at a customer's house about to install the lighting. Look up here and there's no connector. And I'm like, okay, that's not right. But under the seat, let's take a look. This connector is what it's supposed to go to. So it's supposed to come out of here and then fish upward, up through the strut and come out, you know, come out the side right there. And then your little white connector should be fastened right there. Not there. Okay, well, lo and behold, we look on the build date of the cart. Look at this. 9/5/24. Both of our carts are the same build date that have this issue. And then I went and looked around the rest of the lot. We have at least 10 carts, all from the same build date. None have the connector like they're supposed to. So whoever was working at the factory that day did not do their job, obviously, because it's supposed to be there a la this one. So if you have one of these carts and you're trying to install your overhead lighting, and if you don't see that connector right there, and if it looks like this, which is missing, you should be able to call your Denago dealer, or if you are a dealer, you should be able to call the manufacturer themselves, and they should send you the rear wiring harness for the overhead lighting. Okay, so kind of strange, but I guess it happens. Nobody's perfect. So yeah, check out other videos. We got all kinds of cool stuff about Denagos and club cars, Easy Goes, and all kinds of other carts and motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, cars, trucks, and whatever. If our video saved your life or really helped you out, make sure you click the thanks donation button. You'll see it underneath the video screen. Please send a donation because YouTube is completely free, but doing helpful videos is priceless. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you later.